Please unmute and ask your doubts. If you had any doubts, you can ask. I can clarify, or I can do whatever I do. I can explain you if you want anything. That's the reason I need to provide the benefit to the premium members. So I've been started everything. I think everyone is busy with their works. It's okay. It's fine. I have to do my things, but what I follow the same. Please let me know if you had any doubts. Please let me know, or you can, if you don't want to unmute yourself, you can chat, and I can answer your doubts also.
Hi Ashok, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Okay. So as we see yesterday, Dow Jones and Nasdaq and SGS Nifty has crashed badly, right?
Yes,
So what will be our move on Monday? If what your views on market on Monday? Can you share that, please?
yes. That's why only I'm. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, you can see that market is in the range bound. If you go for the higher time frames, that is monthly or something else, and you can see that still monthly it is a bullish mode. See, in still monthly in the bullish mode after the 50% of retracement, that is that the maximum chances of market coming to 38,000 is chances are more, because if it is in a monthly candle, if it candle has been end gonna within a 2 days, so chances will be like market will be opening around 400 to 500 point downside because of Dow Jones. As this move as expected yesterday itself me, but actually unfortunately some sudden news has been flow into the US markets, and again gap up and again sharp fall in the market. And after that you can see here SGX Nifty is not so low. It's looking like just 100 points downside move. If you see, Indian markets has been closed at 17,558. If you compare to that, it will be like more less than 100 points, 50%. So maximum chances will be like after tomorrow opening gap up session. That is the SGX Nifty will be open at 6:30. So we have to look over that. After that only we can take a decision. And before that we have to draw the support and resistance lines. You can see these are the support and resistance lines. You can see these are the support and resistance and different time frames. If you ask me that the yellow color line, the white color line shows that the monthly resistance and monthly support, and this yellow color line indicates that weekly support and weekly resistance, and this red color indicates that daily supports. So if you go for this supports, so that makes you to understand if market open over almost from here to 900 to 4 or 500 points downside. If it is, this is the support zone, so we can expect market will be like it is in this zone. Either it breaks downside, we can take a trade. If it breaks upper side, we can take a trade. Until unless breaks either level downside or upper side, we won't take any trade. That's the reason we have to wait for the market until any perfect confirmation. See, if you see that yesterday, we can see there is a trend line after the breakout. Most of them I have been given the call in that, and you can see sharp fall and even sharp recovery, so that most of the people think that market will be still it is in a bullish sign, because it had a lot of support. And if you see that bearish flag, so many things, but it has again entered to the zone. So tomorrow gap up and it sharp sell off, we can see if we found any W pattern, we can take a buy trade, or else you can see any perfect pullback, you can sell the market, because global sentiment is negative, but our markets is showing still positive mode. So that's the reason we have to look out the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. These are the zones we have to mark these levels, and maximum that is 17,500 is a support. It is in 50-point range. If it crosses this zone 17,480, we can take a trade on the Nifty. But actually, we won't take in the trade on Nifty because of we have to follow up the 50 stocks. If we go for the Bank Nifty, we need to follow up only 12 stocks. That's the reason, and the DK is also more in the Nifty. If you are an option seller, we can go for the Nifty. So that makes you the good profits if it is in the slow movement, and maximum we can see maximum 100 to 150 points movement in the Nifty. Rare scenario, it's gonna be fall very huge. That's the reason we won't actually trade, but sometimes we have to take a trade on that. And next, if you had any doubts, let me know. Even I can provide a pre-market session that is useful to the people, and these are the levels. Anyhow, I have uploaded this session, right? They can understand these are the support and resistance. I'm clearly drawn. These are the perfect support and resistance zones. The stocks will be see that tomorrow will be market negative. We won't go for the stocks. That is very aggressive. That makes big losses for the students. Yes. Any doubts?
No, thank you.
Sir, Vijay sir, if you had any doubts, please let me know. I can explain you if you had any doubts, please.
Okay, can you explain the India VIX correlation with Nifty and Bank Nifty? How we can read in VIX and relate
Yeah,
to
VIX
the
is
markets?
if you ask me the VIX, VIX is an volatility index. If it is more less than 18 or 15, that indicates that market will be like premiums are will be very less or very high. When the VIX is high, market will fall. When VIX is low, market will rise. That the scenario will be mismatches sometimes, and it will be most of the time. I didn't follow the VIX just for the volatility index. If it is in the range more than 21, we have to take a cautious, and if it is in the 18 to 20, that's a fine range for the trading. For the option buying and option sellers, market is in a calm range. If it is VIX is high, our premiums will be high, so option buyers, we have to take care of that. If a sudden small movement also, options premiums will be very high. On that time, we avoid the trades. A small movement also, we need to book the big losses. That's the reason VIX is the volatility index.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, I think oh shit. I think I cleared the doubts. Okay, see you in the pre-market session, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm closing the session.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.